Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. You are daily welcome to Junkin Entertainment. Here we give you sizzling hot news of what is trending in Nigeria and Africa and the world at large. If you are new to miss, please do it to hit the subscribe button, the bell, and also the like so as to stay updated with the time. Problem need hard to finish. Problem need hard to finish. And as the more problem they come, that is how we have news for you. There's this adage that says, person we won't make Gary swear well. It is so kind for big cup and they use plenty water. That's the naked truth. There's this thing that has been trending in Nigeria and people have been reacting. Billionaire's wife, Ned Nwoko, Regina Daniel, his sixth wife, just bought Kayamata worth 10,000 US dollars. That is about 5 million naira. You know, there's this rumor that Ned Nwoko is going for the seventh wife. Yeah, that is going for the seventh wife. Remember, Regina Daniels is his sixth wife. He got married to number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. And funny enough, none of them used Kayamata, but Regina Daniels just acquired Kayamata for her husband. The waist beads, everything Kayamata, and she got it from the main source of Kayamata in Nigeria as a whole. That is Jeruma. Jeruma actually brought the Kayamata to her, say, Madam, take your Kayamata. Well, watch this video.
Hey guys, I have been calling Queen J for about 2 months, more than 2 months, and she just picked my call and came with my parcel.
Guys, billionaire wife, oh, she paid in cash $10,000, baby. 5 million.
Yeah.
$10,000 she paid in cash.
Check out my Jeruma chocolates. Just check this out.
Yeah.
Check it out and check out my
Waist beads, that's 1.5 million, man.
each 500,000.
Yes. Really mean, sir. I'm fine, thank you, sir. Sultan? Oh, I just came, sir.
From Dubai?
Yes, sir.
When you come back?
Thank you, sir. I haven't tasted it.
How is your husband?
He's fine, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah.
Okay, so back to our matter. Let me finish my 500k in naira
Waist beads.
for my waist bead.
Yeah, so
And they're about 3.
3. Yeah. It's yours, baby.
It's mine.
Yeah, that's 1.5 million for the 3 waist beads.
And then we have the beautiful
Yeah,
Jeruma chocolates
Yeah.
for the perfect boxing. Oh my
It's
god.
so beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, you can see it says Jeruma Empire, love, sex, chocolates, aphrodisiac manufacturers since 2010. So beautiful. You see even here it says Jeruma, sex, bonding, intimacy, passion,
And
love. So yeah, I'm taking all my billionaire friends back to Access Bank. I'm moving everybody to Access. All the billionaires, I don't know, Jeruma knows everybody in Nigeria. All the billionaires know Jeruma in Nigeria. So, Shay, I'm moving her. Shay, you will call Access Bank with me.
I pay
Maybe.
for you, PJ.
Alright, thank you, Gina. Thank you so much.
Thank
so,
you.
finally, I don't forget this one. This one is going home. And this is yours.
Okay,
So-
thank you.
Guys, see ya.
Bye.
Bye.
This is so beautiful.
As you can see, Jeruma just brought in the Kayamata from source. The Kayamata just came into the country freshly baked. It's still hot. What are your takes on that? You know, Regina Daniels is the sixth wife, and it's like she's trying to prevent Ned Nwoko from getting a seventh wife, and she's prepared. She's hot. She's prepared. She got the beats. She got the heads. She got everything. 10,000 US dollars, about 5 million naira, and she paid cash. She didn't transfer. She has paid cash. She's prepared for Ned Nwoko, and as you can hear, Ned was actually in the background. He came in, though he wasn't in the picture. He wasn't seen in the video. He just said hi to them and left. So Oganet, be prepared for Kayamata, because this Kayamata is hot. The Kayamata is hot. Regina Daniels is prepared for you. The waist beat especially. And men love waist beats. Well, what are your takes on that? Don't forget to drop your comments below, because people have been reacting on this. So people are saying Regina Daniels is being selfish. He doesn't want Ned to get his his seventh wife, and that she should remember that she is the sixth wife, and that number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5 didn't use Kayamata, and she wants to use Kayamata to keep Ned Nwoko focused. What are your takes on that? Don't forget to drop your comments below. So many strange things have been happening in Nigeria. Recently, there was this guy that did a birthday, a Yahoo boy. He did a birthday at around Alogole Akute. He's actually a Yahoo boy. He's confirmed Yahoo boy. He did a birthday party last Sunday, and guess what? Over 50 friends of his who attended the party are dead already, and people are still dying. Let's be very careful. Let's be very careful in this country. Someone actually tweeted this and cried out that what is happening. 50 people are dead. 50 friends attended the Yahoo boy's birthday party and they are dead already. We have to be very careful. People are still dying. We have to be very careful in this country. We have so many problems that's been hitting on us in this country, but attending birthday parties and dying after that birthday party is not rosy at all. We have to be careful. You know, there's this program going on, Nigerian Idol, and Seyi is one of the panelists. People have been attacking her. There was this guy that actually came up. The guy did very well. He sang very well. From what I heard, I mean, I actually watched it live. The guy did very well. He was trying his best. You know, when you are facing stuff like this, you'll be tense. You have that tension and everything. But the guy tried his best. He put in his best. Though the best wasn't good enough because of the pressure. And she actually slammed the guy. She condemned the guy for performing the way he did. According to her, she said the guy doesn't have anything musical in him, that fine, she go and write songs or something, but nothing. According to her, that the guy is just hopeless. He's like a waste in the music industry. And people have been criticizing Sheyi for saying this. She wouldn't have said that to the guy. Yeah, that is my take on that. I don't know what her takes are, but she wouldn't have said that to the guy. She would have encouraged the guy. Remember, Timaya actually went for the show. Yeah, Nigerian Idol. Timaya was slammed. And look at Timaya right now. He was actually evicted from the show. And look at, Timaya right now. He's doing very well. You can't name like 20 musicians in this country without naming Timaya. And this guy is just 17 years old. This guy is just 17 years old. And he's an aspiring singer and an aspiring musician. But Sheyi condemns the guy totally. That's actually bad. Well, what are your takes on that? Don't forget to drop a comment below. But before you drop a comment below, just watch this video.
And I'm laughing at the fact that I just can't believe what I just heard.
Wow.
That didn't sound good. So I don't know, who told you to come and...
nervous.
No, wait, somebody lied to you. Somebody told you to come here and audition. And that person, you should go back and tell them that they're not your friend. Because that was not a good audition. It was not a good audition. Yeah? You have a sweet talking voice, and it comes out in your singing voice, but your performance, terrible. You're never going to make money being a singer. Babes, I love you, you're so sweet, but you're not a singer. You're not a singer. But the songwriting, hit me up, we'll talk. But that singing thing is not gonna work, okay? Alright? Sorry, my darling, sorry.
Well, you've seen it. Sheyi actually criticized the guy. Well, what are your takes on that? Don't forget to drop your comments below. Move a little from entertainment, let's enter politics. Rotimi Amaechi, the former governor of Rivers State and the present minister of transportation, he said women are far more intelligent than men. That women are far more intelligent than men. Yeah, we have intelligent women. Women are doing very well. But to me, the big question is, if a woman wants to run for president of this country, how many women will vote for that woman? What are your takes on that? Are women really far more intelligent than men? Don't forget to drop your comments below. Let's analyze together. Really popular blogger Sam Clef, he said Nigerians go to church because they want miracle and not to worship God. Basically, I see reasons with this guy because most Nigerians do not even read the Bible. If you ask a Christian in this country after Genesis, what other book do you have? Most people don't even know Exodus. They don't know any other thing. They've not been reading the Bible. Their one is to go to church. They're expecting miracles. They're expecting to make money. But funny enough, we don't have anybody that's as rich as Jeff Bezos in this country. And people have been going to church just to make money, to buy cars, to live the good life. People don't read the Bible. And it baffles me. How can you tell me you want to make heaven when you don't know what it takes to go to heaven? Yeah, because before you make heaven, you have to read the Bible. Read the Bible from Genesis to Revelation. We've been reading books. Read and meditate on what you have been reading, rather than telling me you want to go to heaven and you don't know the rules and the regulation, you don't even know what it takes for you to go to heaven. Well, what are takes on that? Don't forget to drop your comments below. There's this popular Kenyan musician, he buys coffins. He reveals he didn't want his fans to struggle with funeral expenses, so he has already bought a coffin for himself. Mr. Popular, that is terrible. How can you buy? Well, what are takes on that? Don't forget to drop your comments below. Thank you very much for watching Jungle Entertainment. We hope you're entertained. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell, and also the like, so as to stay updated with the times. I have other good gist for you. I'll bring more gist for you. Take care of yourself and have a lovely day.